Welcome students. Now we continue further with our exercise 7.3 question number 6. Now the question 6 says in a circular table cover. So there is a table top which is circular, and on this circular table they have drawn a triangle and put a design on this remaining portion, the shaded portion. You are supposed to calculate the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is supposed to be found out. Now, area of the shaded region, if you wish to calculate, then what are you supposed to do? If you have area of a circle and you subtract the area of the triangle, you will get area of the shaded region. But for that, you should know area of the full circle, and you should also know area of this triangle ABC. So you have to calculate area of the triangle ABC. Now just see over here, you have triangle ABC, but you don't know the sides of the triangle ABC. We only know the radius of this circle. So if I join point O to the vertex B and C, then OB and OC will form the radius of the circle. This radius OB and OC is given to you as 32. From this radius, I have to calculate the side of this triangle. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. So any one side if you find out, then you are able to find area of the triangle. So I take one section of such a triangle. I join O, B and C, and I remove that portion in the side. Now, if I remove that portion in the side, so this is the sector which I have removed, O, B and C. This sector, the middle angle here is 120. Now how? In 9th standard, you had learnt one theorem that angle inscribed at any point on the circle is half of the central angle. So here the angle inscribed at any point on the circle, this angle A is 60 degree. Why? Because triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now in this equilateral triangle, every angle will be 60. So therefore this angle A will be 60 degree. So angle at the center of the circle will be double this angle. तो अगर ये बाहर वाला एंगल 60 है, तो therefore this angle at the center will be double of 60, यानी कि 120. Now I have drawn the sector and the side. From this center O, I drop a perpendicular over here. So if I drop a perpendicular and I call this length of the perpendicular as height h, I write it as height h, okay, and this I write it as B2, say we name it as M. So B to M I call it as small b and small b over here. We know that perpendicular from the center bisects the chord into two equal parts. So both these will be BB each. Now this perpendicular over here will divide 120 into two equal angles, that is 60 and 60. And this angle here, this is 90, this is 60. So very obviously 90 है 60 है, तो this angle has to be 30. Similar manner में this angle here also has to be 30 degree. Now we consider another concept which you have learnt in trigonometry or you will learn it in future in trigonometry, that sine of, that is the sine ratio of 30 degree, sine of 30 degree, 30 degree is here, is opposite side upon the hypotenuse of the triangle. तो 30 के opposite में है h and hypotenuse is 32. तो sin 30 is h upon 32 and value of the sine ratio of 30 is always half. Okay. If you have not learnt it till now, you will learn it in one of the chapters within a few days or few months, and therefore you will come to know that sine 30 is half. Now 2 and 32, 2 ones are 2 16s are, cross multiply, so h is equal to 16. So this h you got it as 16. And same way, the side adjacent to 30 degree, you can use another format, cos 30 degree is adjacent side, 30 को जो टच करता है, adjacent side upon 32, and therefore cos 30, cos of 30 or cos 30, it is cos 30, sorry children, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 and 2 ones are 2 16s are, cross multiply. So b is equal to 16 root 3. b is equal to 16 root 3. So value of b you got it as 16 root 3. Now value of b is 16 root 3. Now area of the sector. If you wish to calculate area of this sector, you know the formula is pi r square theta upon 360. So that is pi ka value 22 upon 7 into r square. So r is 32. That is given in the question that radius of the circle is 32. So into 32 into 32. The angle of this 60 ka double, that is central angle, is 120. So angle is 120 over here and upon 360. So 0 0 cancels. Then you take the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 3s are 36. 3 does not cancel with anything over here. So you multiply 22 into 32 into 32, which gives you 22,528 upon 21. 7 into this 3 is 21. So upon 21. Now area of this triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC will be 1/2 into base into height. Area of any triangle will be half base into height. That is 1/2. The base of this triangle which you are having here, the base is b into b. Sorry, b plus b. So that is 2b and into the height h which you are having over here. Right, we are calculating right now not area of the full triangle ABC, we are calculating area of triangle OBC. We are calculating area of triangle OBC. OBC ka base is b plus b, 2b, and OBC ka height is h. So area of triangle OBC is half into base into height. So base is 2b and height is h. तो b का वैल्यू जो है आपको मिला है 16 रूट 3. तो 16 रूट 3 प्लस 16 रूट 3, या फिर यू कैन से 2 इंटू 16 रूट 3 एंड प्लस height h you calculated here as 16. So therefore into 16, 2 and 2 cancels, 16 16s are 256 and therefore you get an answer 256 root 3, that is centimeter square. This is area of this triangle OBC. जैसे OBC है, you can also join the triangle over here. तो OBC के जैसा OAB होगा and OAC होगा. तो you'll have 3 triangles of same area. So therefore area of the shaded region, you can say that it is equal to 3 times area of such sectors minus 3 times area of such triangles. Such portions, यहाँ जो एक छोटा पोर्शन हमने कंसिडर किया है ये वाला, ऐसे 3 पोर्शंस हैं हमें, 1 2 और 3. तो therefore 3 times the area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector which we calculated was 22,528 upon 21, and area of the triangle we calculated right now, that is 256 root 3, and 3 you multiply inside. So 3 into this, now 3 ones are and 3 sevens are will cancel. So 22,528 upon 7. This 3 you also multiply with 256. So 3 multiplied by 256 gives you 768 into root 3. So this ends up with the question over here. So this question you will better understand when you learn the chapter of trigonometry. Now, next question which we go to is, you have question number 7. Question 7 के अंदर you have 4 circles touching each other, and 4 circles, all the 4 circles have radius 7 centimeter. All the 4 circles have radius 7 centimeter, and if their centers are joined, let the centers of the 4 circle be A, B, C and D respectively. If you join the 4 centers, you get a square ABCD. Why square? Because all angles are going to be equal over there, right? Every angle will be equal and every side also will be equal. All angles are 90 and all the sides are 7 plus 7, 14. So you get a square of side 14 centimeters. Now, there is a shaded region between the 4 circles. So this design, the shaded region which I have here, I have to find area of this shaded region. So how should I find area of this shaded region? I will find area of the 4 sectors which are here. 4 sectors दिख रहे हैं हमको यहाँ पे, एक ये वाला है, फिर एक दूसरा ये है और ये है. तो चारों सेक्टर का एरिया अगर हम स्क्वायर के एरिया में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे तो वील गेट एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. तो एरिया ऑफ द square ABCD is 14 into 14 because area of the square is side square. So 14 into 14, the side of the square is 7 plus 7, that is 14. So therefore 14 14s are 196. So area of this square in the diagram ABCD is 196. Now we find total area of all the 4 quadrants. Total area of all the 4 quadrants. So that will be 4 times area of one quadrant. Area of one quadrant means 1/4 the area of the circle. 4 and 4 will cancel. या फिर आप ऐसा भी सोच सकते हो 4 quadrants मिलके 1 full circle बनाएंगे, तो that is pi r square. Or you can say that 4 times quarter circles, 4 will cancel. Pi is 22 upon 7 and radius of the circle or the sector is 7. So 7 cancels with 7. 22 into 7 is 154. So area of this shaded region here is area of the square minus area of the 4 sectors. So area of the square 196 minus area of the sector 154. So therefore you will have it as 196 minus 154 and that is equal to 42. So this is how we got area of the shaded region. Now next is, there is a ground. The main diagram is going to be something like this. Main diagram is like this. There is an oval ground and an oval pathway around it. But there are 2 sub questions in the same question. Now let us see how it is going to be represented. What the question says. The question says, the figure depicts a racing track. The racing track is outside this oval path over here, whose left and right ends are semicircles, and distance between the 2 inner parallel lines is 60 meters and they are 160 long. So therefore what they are saying is, if I draw this oval garden or this thing, then distance between these two parallel tracts, तो ये जो distance है AD and BC, this they have given to us as 60, and the straight parallel track is of length 106. So AB and DC are 106 each, and these two opposite sides are 60 each. And now you have to calculate the distance along the inner edge, यानी कि ये जो distance है पूरा distance along the inner edge, that is what you are supposed to calculate. So if I start walking from this point A, I will walk the parallel distance AB, then I will walk this semicircular distance from here to here, again I will walk the parallel distance DC, and then I will walk along this semicircle. ये जो दोनों हिस्से हैं ये सेमी सर्कल्स है, तो आप किसके ऊपर चलने वाले हो? आप सरकमफरेंस के ऊपर चलने वाले हो. तो सरकमफरेंस ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल हियर एंड द सरकमफरेंस ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल हियर, तो दो हाफ सर्कल्स है. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर इज, you are walking along the semicircles and two straight lines. So ये सेमी सर्कल और ये सेमी सर्कल मिलके वन फुल सरकमफरेंस बनेंगे, या फिर आप ऐसा बोल सकते हो 2 times अ सेमी सर्कल. सेमी सर्कल की एक पूरे सर्कल की सरकमफरेंस होती है 2 pi r, एंड सेमी सर्कल का सरकमफरेंस यानी कि 2 pi r अपॉन 2, और ऐसे दो है. इन शॉर्ट यू आर हैविंग वन फुल सरकमफरेंस 2 pi r. तो दैट इज 2 into 22 upon 7, and radius I have written here as 30. Who said that this is 30? Now see, if I talk about this circular track, the diameter of this circular tract is 60. The diameter of the circular track is 60. So therefore, if diameter is 60, तो radius is going to be half of 60. Half of 60 माने 30. So therefore, I will have it as the radius of the circumference is 30. So therefore, nothing cancels here. So 22 into 30, that is 660 into 2, and whatever answer you get, you just keep it as a fraction. Okay, you just kept it as a fraction, which you can also solve also if you wish. That is 1320 meters upon 7. So this is going to be which distance? The semicircular distance over here. फिर अब now we'll write the distance along the track. अगर आप inner track के किनारे पे यानी कि edge पे चलोगे, तो if you walk on the edge of the inner edge of the track, then the distance will be according to the figure. आप A से B तक चलोगे, फिर एक सेमी सर्कल, फिर C से D तक चलोगे, फिर एक सेमी सर्कल. सेमी सर्कल और सेमी सर्कल का मिला के वन फुल सर्कल का सरकमफरेंस वो आपने यहाँ कैलकुलेट कर लिया है. अब ये AB और DC को ऐड करना बाकी है. तो देयरफॉर डिस्टेंस अराउंड द ट्रैक along the inner edge is AB plus CD and plus the length of both the semicircles. So what is the length of these two parallel tracks over here? AB and CD, they are 106. So therefore 106 plus 106 plus your two semicircles, that is 2 into 660, which is one semicircle, and that gives you 1320 upon 7, and then you take LCM. So therefore 7 you multiply with 106, that is 742. So 742 plus 742 plus 1320, the whole upon 7 after you take LCM, and which gives you 2804 as upon 7. This is in meters. Why? Because you are walking a distance and circumference is going to be length. The circumference will have only length. So therefore length of the edge, जो किनार पे आप चलने वाले हो, तो how much distance you will walk if you walk on the inner track? You will walk a distance of 2804 upon 7 meters. That is going to be the circumference of the inner track. Now you wish to find area of the track. Now let us draw the track also. So we now look at the complete figure which we are having. So now we draw the complete figure. ये inner track है, और जब आपका चलने वाला ये जो पाथवे दिख रहा है आपको, ये पूरे पाथवे का, ये पूरा जो पाथवे है, उस पूरे पाथवे का आपको एरिया कैलकुलेट करना. यू आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ दिस फुल पाथ. यू आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ दिस फुल पाथ. ओके, नाउ एरिया ऑफ दिस पाथ, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू हैव टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ द आउटर वन माइनस एरिया ऑफ द इनर वन. ये एक तरीका है. या फिर यू कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल एक्स वाई जेड डब्ल्यू. You also calculate area of the rectangle PQRS, and then you calculate area of this circular tract. You calculate area of the circular tract. Now we'll follow this method over here. तो सबसे पहले मुझे एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है दिस रेक्टेंगल एक्स वाई जेड एंड डब्ल्यू. तो एक्स वाई जेड डब्ल्यू, दिस स्मॉल region which I am having here, I want to find area of that. Now width of this region is 10 meter, यानी कि breadth of this rectangle x y z w is 10, and length you are already given, that is 106. So area of the rectangle will be 106 multiplied by 10. ऐसा सेम दूसरा रेक्टेंगल है PQRS. तो PQRS का एरिया भी होगा, width is 10 and this length is 106. So that will also be L into B. Area of the rectangle is always L into B, that is 106 into 10. So therefore I write area of both the rectangular tracts which are there as 2 times, because we have 2 such rectangles. So 2 times L into B. L is 106 and B is 10. So that therefore 1060 into 2, that gives you 2120 meter square. Now I know that this particular width over here R से लेकर W तक, R से लेकर W तक 60 है, फिर R से S तक 10 है, एंड W से Z तक 10 है. तो यू हैव 3 मेजरमेंट्स हियर, 10, 60 एंड 10. तो अगर मैं पूरा SZ कैलकुलेट करना चाहती हूँ, इफ़ आई वॉन्ट द फुल डायामीटर SZ, द डायामीटर विल बी 60 + 10 + 10. तो देयरफॉर आई रोट ओवर देयर, आई सेड कि इफ़ आई विश टू कैलकुलेट ओनली RW, दैट इनर सर्कल, अगर ये अंदर वाला छोटा सर्कल है उसका डायामीटर चाहिए तो RW इज 60, लेकिन जो बाहर वाला सर्कल है वो बाहर वाले सर्कल का डायामीटर चाहिए अगर आपको SZ, तो दैट विल बी 60 + 10 + 10, एंड देयरफॉर आई रोट SZ is 60 + 10 + 10, that is 80. नाउ रेडियस ऑफ बोथ द ट्रैक्स, ये तो डायामीटर्स थे, तो अगर मुझे रेडियस चाहिए दोनों के, तो रेडियस ऑफ द आउटर लार्जर सर्कल, रेडियस विल बी हाफ ऑफ डायामीटर. तो जस्ट नाउ आई फाउंड दैट डायामीटर ऑफ द आउटर सर्कल विल बी 60 + 10 + 10, यानी कि 80. डायामीटर इज 80, तो रेडियस विल बी 40, एंड इनसाइड स्मॉलर सर्कल दैट विल बी ओवर हियर. ये जो अंदर वाला सर्कल है, अंदर वाले सर्कल का ये जो डायामीटर है वो 60 है, तो रेडियस ऑफ द इनसाइड सर्कल विल बी 60 upon 2, that is 30. So now if I wish to calculate area of this tract, I want to calculate area of this tract, the circular tract I want to calculate the area. So that will be outside semicircle का area माइनस इनसाइड सेमी सर्कल का एरिया. तो और ऐसे हमारे पास कितने सेमी सर्कल्स है, यहाँ एक है और इधर एक दूसरा है. तो ऐसे सेमी सर्कल्स मेरे पास दो है. तो देयरफॉर आई विल से एरिया ऑफ बोथ द सेमी सर्क्यूलर ट्रैक्ट्स दैट विल बी, बोथ बोला ना मैंने, दो बार है, दो सेमी सर्कल्स का डिस्टेंस चाहिए हमें, तो दो ट्रैक्ट का एरिया चाहिए. तो दैट इज 2 टाइम्स एरिया ऑफ द फर्स्ट सेमी सर्कल, दैट इज आउटर सेमी सर्कल. तो मैंने रेडियस का डिनोट किया है कैपिटल आर से, माइनस एरिया ऑफ द इनर सर्कल, दैट इज इन द डायग्राम अगेन आई विल शो. दिस इज योर आउटर सर्कल, आउटर सर्कल माइनस इनर सर्कल का एरिया हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. Because it is a semicircle, we divide it by 2, तो pi r square upon 2 and minus pi r small square upon 2. upon 2 दोनों में कॉमन है तो बाहर निकाल देंगे हम. तो that will become 2 and 2 will get cancelled. तो I now remove pi common. तो pi मैंने कॉमन निकाल दिया यहाँ बाहर, and inside I have r square minus r square. तो that is going to be, capital R is 40, small r is 30. तो 40 square minus 30 square, I can use the formula a square minus b square, which is going to be a plus b and a minus b. तो 40 plus 30 and 40 minus 30, and बाहर जो पाई था उसका वैल्यू 22/7. 40 plus 30 will give me 70 and 40 minus 30 will give me 10. So therefore now I have 22/7 is equal to 22/7 into 70 into 10. 7 ones are 7 tens are. So 7 and 10 will cancel with each other. 7 tens are. So therefore 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 22 is 2200 meter square. So therefore now area of the full tract will be area of the two rectangular tracts plus area of the two semicircular tracts. तो एरिया ऑफ द टू रेक्टेंगुलर ट्रैक्ट्स, वापस से फिगर देख लो, ये एक रेक्टेंगुलर ट्रैक्ट है, ये दूसरा रेक्टेंगुलर ट्रैक्ट है, और ये एक सेमी सर्क्यूलर ट्रैक्ट है, ये दूसरा सेमी सर्क्यूलर ट्रैक्ट है. तो दोनों रेक्टेंगल्स का एरिया प्लस दोनों सेमी सर्कल्स का एरिया. तो देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ टू रेक्टेंगुलर ट्रैक्ट्स and plus area of two semicircular tracts. Rectangular tracts का area we calculated 2120 and semicircular tracts का अभी calculate किया 2200 and add the two and therefore we get 4320 meter square. So this will be area of that rectangular, full circular and semicircular and full tract of the garden. Okay. Now next question, that is question number 9. I have a small circle and some design is made over here. I have to find area of the shaded region. This question is very simple. This circle area will be pi r square. They have directly not given us the diameter or radius of this small circle, but they have said BA is a diameter. BA is a diameter. And over here I am also given CD is also a diameter, and CD and BA are both perpendicular to each other. That is also given in the question, that the two diameters BA and DC are perpendicular to each other. So therefore I get a triangle which is having this angle as 90 degree. Also they have given to us that radius of this big circle is 7. तो उसका मतलब है OC is 7, OB is 7, OA is 7 and OD is also 7. इसका मतलब है ये जो छोटा सर्कल हमें दिखाई दे रहा है उसका डायामीटर OD is actually radius of the larger circle. एंड वी नो दैट रेडियस ऑफ द लार्जर सर्कल इज 7. तो इसका मतलब है डायमीटर ऑफ द स्मॉलर सर्कल इज 7. तो रेडियस ऑफ द स्मॉल सर्कल विल बी 7/2. नाउ I wish to find area of this shaded region over here. So what I will do, I will calculate area of this big semicircle with AB as a diameter and then minus area of triangle AB and C. So first we follow one by one. We try to calculate area of this triangle AB and C. Okay, this triangle ABC में CO is perpendicular to AB. This CO is perpendicular to AB. So if you consider AB as base of the triangle, then CO will become height of the triangle. तो ये जो triangle ABC है उसमें base is 7 + 7 14 and height of the triangle is 7. So therefore I calculate area of triangle ACB is half into base into height, that is half into 14 into 7. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 7 7s are 49. So area of this triangle which I have, area of this triangle ABC is, I calculated 49. Now I calculate area of this outer semicircle. आउटर सेमी सर्कल, सेमी सर्कल मतलब एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर का आधा होगा आपका. तो आप क्या कैलकुलेट करोगे, कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? तो सेमी सर्कल इफ यू विश टू कैलकुलेट, तो एरिया ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल दैट इज गोइंग टू बी पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो देयरफॉर that will be area of this large semicircle which we are having, area of the semicircular. Okay, first we'll calculate area of the smaller circle here. So smaller circle pi r square, that is pi is 22/7 and radius of the small circle is 7/2 into 7/2. 7 cancels with 7, 2 1s are 2 11s are, so that is 77/2 and that is going to be 38.5 over there. And only thing remains over here, that is it's going to be area of the semicircle which I have to calculate over here. अब ये बड़ा सेमी सर्कल का एरिया कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. बड़े सेमी सर्कल में रेडियस इज 7, रेडियस इज 7 एवरीवेयर, रेडियस ऑफ द बिग थिंग इज 7. So therefore it is going to be over here 1/2 of pi r square, 1/2 of the pi r square circle. Okay, here you can write capital R if you wish because it is the larger circle. So that is going to be 1/2 into 1/2, सेमी सर्कल है इसलिए हाफ ऑफ पाई आर स्क्वायर, तो हाफ इंटू पाई का वैल्यू 22/7 and radius of the larger circle is 7. Radius of the larger circle is 7. So 7 cancels with 7. 2 1s are 2 11s are. 11 into 7 will give you 77. 11 into 7 will give you 77. Now we want to find out area of these two shaded regions. तो दैट विल बी एरिया ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल जो आपने कैलकुलेट किया 77 माइनस एरिया ऑफ द इनसाइड ट्रायंगल जो आपने कैलकुलेट किया 49 एंड देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ बोथ द सेगमेंट्स विच आर शेडेड will be area of the semicircle minus area of triangle. 77 minus 49, that is 28. And area of the small circle जो था, area of ये small circle that you calculated already over here, pi r square, which radius was 7/2, which you got 38.5. And therefore area of these full shaded three regions will be circle plus both the segments. तो सर्कल का जो एरिया था वो है 38.5 एंड both the segments का total area was 28. तो 28 plus 38.5 gives you 66.5. So we end our session here today. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you, children.